In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your subscriber list from Substack. If you want a clean backup of your audience or you're preparing to move your contacts into a spreadsheet or CRM, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Substack website. On the homepage, look to the top right and click Sign In. Enter the email you use for your publication and complete the sign-in process. If Substack sends you a magic link, just follow it to finish logging in. Once you're in, go to your dashboard. This is your control center for posts, analytics, and audience management. From the dashboard, find and click Subscribers in the left-hand navigation. That opens your full subscriber table, showing details like who's free or paid and when they signed up. Before exporting, take a second to scan the table and make sure the columns you care about are visible. This will matter in a moment. On the right side of the subscribers page, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click it to reveal additional actions, then select Export. You'll see choices for how to structure the export. Export by columns typically includes the full set of available fields, while Export visible columns gives you a slimmer file containing only what's currently shown on screen. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you're unsure, exporting all columns is a safe default. You can always delete extra fields later in your spreadsheet. After you confirm, Substack will prepare your file. Watch for a highlighted prompt or banner that appears when the export is ready. Click that highlight to start the download. Your subscriber list will come down as a CSV file, which opens easily in Excel, Google Sheets, or most marketing tools. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a secure folder and consider renaming the file with today's date so it's easy to find later. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you want a smaller, cleaner file, hide any columns you don't need before choosing the Visible Columns export. If you plan to import the list into another platform, check that the column headers in your CSV match what the destination expects to avoid mapping issues. And remember, subscriber information is sensitive. Store it securely and handle it in line with privacy laws and your own policies. That's it. You signed in, opened your dashboard, went to subscribers, used the three-dot menu to export, and clicked the highlight to download your CSV. You're all set to work with your list wherever you need it.